Hi everyone. Hi guys, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We all are here for a better future. So how are you all guys? कैसे हैं आप लोग? After a long time I am live. So how are you all? Hi Ashish, a very good afternoon. Hi Ishika, a very good afternoon. I am all good, Ishika. What about you? So, as you all know, today we are here to discuss the chapter Analysis of Financial Statement. आज हम कौन सा चैप्टर करेंगे? आज हम एक नया चैप्टर करने वाले हैं क्लास 12 का, दैट इज एनालिसिस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. Fine, but so tired after Holi. Why you are so tired? So, if you guys are new to this channel, Vedantu Commerce, or if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Also, I hope that all of you have now participated, have now registered for V.O.T.E. If not, then go and register yourself now. The voting dates are 28th March, 4th April, 11th April or 18th April. You guys can participate or you can vote on any of the following days. Yes, participated Ashish, great. So those who have not registered themselves yet, go and register yourself now. Ishika, by playing Holi yesterday. Okay, I knew that. So, what is this V.O.T.E? As you all know how 2020 has affected our learning. So now it's time to make a comeback with V.O.T.E. So make a comeback this year with Vedantu Online Talent Exam. Because with this, you can get all India rank. You can get a chance to win guaranteed scholarship. You can win exciting prizes daily and weekly, and also you can get a chance to become CEO of Vedantu for one full day. And also you can win a trip to NASA. Hi Himani, a very good afternoon. Yes, your mom is now finally live. So, जिसने अभी तक वोट के लिए रजिस्टर नहीं किया है, जल्दी से जाइए और रजिस्टर कीजिए ताकि आप ये सब पा सके. ओके हिमानी, मैम दिख रही है ना, इतना काफी है. So, participate in vote quickly so that you can win V coins and these exciting prizes. Now, if you don't know how to vote, then let me tell you. You have to go to the link that is given below in the description box. उस link पर जाएंगे हम लोग, फिर हम अपनी details enter करेंगे. We have to enter the details like name, our class or grade or board and target exam. Then you can register yourself and you can get your voter ID card. Once you get your voter ID card, you have to choose your voting days, on which day you want to give vote. And then it's all done. So Ishika, ma'am, you are not tired after Holi. You are looking full energetic. Yes, because Holi कल थी ना, तो कल जो खेला वो कल तक ही था. आज सुबह नई सुबह और नई एनर्जी. Daily accounts live class 4 PM पर ही होगी. Yes, Ashish, you are absolutely correct. Daily I will be coming live at 4 PM. Thank you so much, Imani. So, those who have not registered yourself for V.O.T.E, go and download our app so that you can know more about V.O.T.E and you can register yourself. Also, let me tell you how this exam will be conducted, how this vote will be conducted. कैसे पेपर होगा, क्या फॉर्मेट होगा, कितने टाइम का एग्जाम होगा. So, let's come and see the format. There will be total 3 subjects. टोटल 3 सब्जेक्ट्स होंगे, अकाउंट्स, बिजनेस स्टडीज एंड इकोनॉमिक्स. जो हमारे कॉमर्स के सब्जेक्ट होते हैं मेन, वो तीनों सब्जेक्ट होंगे. Every subject will contain 30 questions. So total there will be 90 questions. How many total questions will be there? 90 questions. Every correct answer will have 4 marks and every wrong answer will have negative marking. तो हमें सोच समझ के आंसर देना है, तुक्का नहीं लगाना. And you will get total 90 minutes to attempt this paper. Mamta, you got 77 in pre-boards. Well done, I am proud of you. So this is your exam format. And let me tell you that if you don't want to play alone, then there is no need to worry, because you can also play along with your friends. So you can create your own squad to play along with your friend. So jaldi se jaiye, inform your friend and create your own squad so that you can win together amazing big prizes. That's it for V.O.T.E. If you have not registered yet, then go and register yourself now. Ab, hi Bhavesh, namaste. तो आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? As you all know, this is class 11th accountancy session. This is for those students who are now coming to class 12. ये उन बच्चों के लिए है जो क्लास 11 से 12th में आने वाले हैं. तो आज हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? What we are going to discuss today? Today we are here to discuss one another chapter of class 12, the name of which is Analysis of Financial Statement. We are going to do analysis today of what? Of financial statement. So this is your today's schedule. After my session, you will be having class 12th account session at 6 p.m. and economics session at 7 p.m. Yes, Bhavesh, ma'am live है. परसों स्कूल्स खुल रहे हैं. ग्रेट. इससे अच्छी गुड न्यूज क्या हो सकती है? Whoa, so lucky Diya. I am also so lucky to have students like you. So guys, if you are new to our channel Vedantu Commerce, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and also do like this video and do share this with your friends. Also, if you want the notes of upcoming session, then you can join us on the Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link is also given in the description box below. Now, let's start our class 12th. Now we all are ready for class 12. Yes or no? Are you guys ready for class 12th? इको की क्लास कब है जो 11 से 12th में आ रहे हैं? We have not planned that for now, but we will be planning it soon. So who all are ready for class 12th? Raise your hands, guys. कौन कौन क्लास 12th के लिए रेडी है? आपको देख के लग रहा है आप होली नहीं खेलते. आई कैन शो यू, मतलब अभी कलर जो है वो थोड़ा चला गया है, वरना आई विल शेयर दी पिक्स ऑन टेलीग्राम. आई वॉज होल ब्लू येस्टरडे. कल मैं अवतार लग रही थी. नहीं होती है जो 11 से 12th में आ रहे 7. ओके हिमानी. So let's start and let's see that what is there in class 12 for all of us. क्या क्या है class 12 में हमारे लिए? So let's start this session now without any delay. बिना किसी देरी के क्लास को शुरू करते हैं. So today we are here to discuss the chapter Analysis of Financial Statement. In the previous session, what we have done? We have covered financial statement prepared by a company. हमने पिछली वाली क्लास में क्या किया था? We have done financial statements prepared by a company, and in that session I have told you that company will prepare 2 financial statements, balance sheet and it will prepare statement of P&L. Now these were the financial statements only. The financial statements were statement of P&L and balance sheet. Now we have to analyze the financial statement. It is compulsory to analyze your financial statement in order to take decisions for future, in order to plan for your future, in order to prepare your budget. In order to take your decisions, it is compulsory to analyze your financial statement. अगर कंपनी को कोई भी डिसीजन लेना है कल के लिए, फ्यूचर के लिए, तो वो पहले अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को चेक करेगी. अगर आपको सोचना है आपको 90 मार्क्स लाने हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको 90 मार्क्स लाने क्लास 12th में, आप क्या करोगे? आप अपने क्लास 11th के रिजल्ट को देखोगे कि क्लास 11th में हम कहाँ स्टैंड करते थे और हमें क्लास 12th में कहाँ जाना है. तो आप पहले अपने क्लास 11th के रिजल्ट को देखोगे. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट आप डिसीजन लोगे कि आपको कैसे पढ़ाई करनी है क्लास 12th में. आप अपनी कमियों को फाइंड आउट करोगे, आप अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को आइडेंटिफाई करोगे in order to plan for your future for class 12th. Hi, action movie. So this is what we have to do. This is what we have to do in class 12th also. So the chapter name is Analysis of Financial Statement. जो भी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट कंपनी बनाती है उनको हमें क्या करना है? एनालाइज करना है. So let's see what is the meaning of financial statement analysis. क्या मतलब है इस चैप्टर का जो हम आज करने वाले हैं? What is the meaning of financial statement analysis? Analysis का मतलब सबको पता है कि हम एनालाइज करते हैं, पढ़ते हैं किसी चीज को ताकि हम उसके बेसिस पे किसी डिसीजन पर आ सके. So what is the meaning of financial statement analysis? So it is a systematic process. What is it? It is a systematic process of dividing the financial information into simple and valuable element. आप अपनी information को, you will divide the information into small element, into small group, and you will establish relationship between them. आप अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को छोटे छोटे एलिमेंट्स में, छोटे छोटे ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करोगे और उनके बीच का रिलेशनशिप निकालोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी विल कंपेयर करंट एसेट्स विद करंट लाइबिलिटी. वी विल कंपेयर करंट एसेट्स विद योर नॉन करंट लाइबिलिटी. सो हम ऐसे छोटे छोटे ग्रुप्स बनाएंगे. वी विल प्रिपेयर अ ग्रुप फॉर करंट एसेट, फॉर करंट लाइबिलिटी, नॉन करंट लाइबिलिटी, शेयर होल्डर फंड. We will divide the information into small group. Information को divide करने के बाद, once you have divided your information into small groups, into small element, then you will compare it. आप उसको क्या करोगे? Compare करोगे, उसका बीच का relation निकालोगे. Why we are doing that? To understand the working and financial position of the enterprise. We are establishing the relationship. We are comparing the data to find out the financial position of the enterprise. And this is known as financial statement analysis. हमने क्या किया? हमने इंफॉर्मेशन को छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया, फिर उसके बीच का रिलेशनशिप निकाला, उनको कंपेयर किया to know the financial position of the company, that आपकी enterprise कहाँ stand कर रही है. ये है आपका financial statement analysis. Now tell me, is the meaning clear to everyone? What is financial statement analysis? Is it clear, guys? Bhavesh, Himani, Ishika, Ashish. Hi Ritik. Yes, Bhavesh. A little bit clear. So, I request you all to please read the meaning again. I have explained the meaning, but you have to read it again. So, please read the meaning by yourself and then I will explain it again in the summary form. So you have 1 minute to read it. Quickly read it. Clear, Himani. Ashish, okay, I will explain it again. Okay, so I hope that all of you have read it now. So what is financial statement analysis? It is a systematic process. It is a process in which you divide the financial information into simple element. You divide your whole information into simple group, and then you establish relationship between those items, between those groups. First, you will divide your information into simple groups, into simple element, and then you will establish relationship between them, or you will compare those element. Why you are doing this? So that you can understand the working position or financial position of the enterprise. This is known as financial statement analysis. You are dividing your information and then you are analyzing it. Then you are establishing relationship between them so that you can understand the financial position of the company. ताकि आप ये जान सको कि आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, आपकी कंपनी कहाँ स्टैंड कर रही है. तो हम अपनी फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन को एनालाइज करते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, ताकि हम अपनी फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन जान सके. This process is known as financial statement analysis. Now, the next question that arises is, so there is one more point. It provides information to understand complex financial data and helps in taking appropriate financial decision. ये मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही बताया था. This I have explained you in starting, that why we are doing this analysis, so that we can take decisions for future. अगर हम क्लास 12th में जाएंगे तो पहले हम क्लास 11th का रिजल्ट देखेंगे, so that we can plan for class 12th. So why we are doing this financial statement analysis? So that we can take appropriate financial decision. आप अपने कल के लिए, आने वाले future के लिए decisions ले सको. So this is financial statement analysis. Hi ICSE. Now, what help do we get from this? हमें इससे क्या help मिलती है? Why are we doing this financial statement analysis? How it will help an enterprise? So हम ये analysis, इतना लंबा process हम follow कर रहे हैं. हम अपनी information को divide करेंगे, analyze करेंगे. But why we are doing this? How it will help an enterprise? Hi Deepti. So let's see how it is going to help an enterprise. So अगर आपको ये जानना है कि आपकी कंपनी को कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ और कितना लॉस हुआ, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? अपनी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट को एनालाइज करना पड़ेगा. If you want to know that how much profit or how much loss the company is earning, then to find out the profitability or earning capacity, you have to do the financial statement analysis. So how it will help you? It will help you to assess the earning capacity or profitability. So to assess the earning capacity or profitability, you have to do the financial statement analysis. Yes, Ashish, you are correct. Next, to assess the managerial efficiency. आपके कंपनी में बहुत सारे वर्कर्स होंगे, मैनेजमेंट अलग होगी, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स अलग होंगे. In a company there are a lot of workers and employees. Now to check out their efficiency, to check out the managerial efficiency, to check out that how efficiently they all are working, to check that you have to do financial statement analysis. So first benefit is to assess the earning capacity or profitability. Second, to assess the managerial efficiency. Third, to assess the short-term and long-term solvency of enterprise. Now, how many of you know the meaning of solvency? Raise your hands. किस किस को solvency का मतलब पता है? How many of you know the meaning of solvency? What do you mean by solvency, guys? Bhavesh know the meaning. Okay, so what is solvency? It is a position that in how much time company will pay its liability. Solvency का मतलब खत्म होना नहीं होता. Solvency means कि कितने टाइम में कंपनी अपनी liabilities को पे कर देगी. So, to assess the short-term and long-term solvency of the enterprise means to find out that in how much time Kangal, Suman, it is solvent. Insolvent. Insolvent means the person who is now incapable of paying his debt. That is Kangal. So, solvency means it is a position that tells that in how much time you will be able to pay your liability. So, financial statement analysis, it helps to assess the short-term and long-term solvency of the enterprise. So, it means that financial statement analysis will tell you that whether you are able to pay your short-term liability on time or not, whether you are able to pay your long-term liability on time or not. तो ये आपको ये बताएगा कि आप अपनी लाइबिलिटीज शॉर्ट टर्म एंड लॉन्ग टर्म टाइम पे कर पाओगे या नहीं कर पाओगे. दैट इज नोन एज सॉल्वेंसी. इट इज अ पोजीशन दैट टेल्स यू दैट वेदर यू आर एबल टू पे योर लाइबिलिटीज ऑन टाइम और नॉट. तो ये आपको किससे पता लगेगा? एनालिसिस से. आप एनालाइज करोगे, आपको पता लगेगा प्रॉफिट है या लॉस है. प्रॉफिट है मतलब यू आर एबल टू पे योर लाइबिलिटी. Loss means you are not able to pay your liability. So this is the third benefit of analysis of financial statement. It helps you to assess the short-term solvency and long-term solvency. And now coming on to the last benefit, it helps you to forecast. Forecast का मतलब क्या होता है? To plan for future. It helps you to forecast, to plan for future, and it helps you in preparing budget. So these are 4 benefits of analysis of financial statement. The person may categorize them as current and non-current liability. Yes, but in class 12, it is mainly known as short-term and long-term liability. I missed you too, Subhashni. No, solvency is different than current liability and non-current liability, Ashish. Solvency, it is a position. It is not a liability. Hi, Ritik. Whoa, Subhashni, you got 96 out of 100. Well done. I am proud of you. Keep it up in class 12th also. Okay, so now tell me, is the benefits of analysis clear to everyone? Are these 4 points clear to all of you? Yes or no? You're welcome, Subhashni. Ritik, clear. What about others? Ashish, Himani, Bhavesh, Ishika. Is this clear to everyone? Yes, Ishika. Super duper clear. Yes, Ashish. Yes, Bhavesh. Okay. So now हमने पढ़ लिया है what is the meaning of analysis and how will it help an enterprise. So we have covered two topics till now, the meaning of analysis and the benefits of analysis. Now, don't you guys want to know that how the company will do this analysis? Do you guys want to know that how this analysis will be done? कैसे कंपनी ये एनालिसिस करेगी? हाउ इट विल डू दिस एनालिसिस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट? How this process will go? So how many of you want to know that how this analysis is done? How many of you wants to know that how it is done? So there are total 4 tools. Company has 4 different tools to do this analysis. Let's see, Ashish. So now the company has 4 alternatives to do this analysis. Company के पास अलग अलग tools है इस analysis को करने के लिए. And these are the 4 tools. First, we have comparative statement. Second, we have common size statement. Third, we have ratio analysis. And fourth, we have cash flow statement. These are the 4 tools of analysis, and let me tell you that these are 4 different chapters in your class 12. This is your 3rd chapter, this is your 4th chapter, this is your 5th chapter, this is your 6th chapter. These topics are your different chapters. Basically, these are tools of analysis, but the CBSE has divided each tool into each chapter. So basically, these are tools, but we will be studying them in brief in each of the chapter. So one chapter is comparative statement, then we have common size statement, then we have ratio analysis, and then we have cash flow statement. Okay. So ये हमारे अलग अलग chapters हैं. अब, now I will tell you the meaning of all of these tools, but I will be telling them in brief because there are questions in each chapter. So हम brief में बाद में करेंगे. Right now we are only going to discuss about their meaning. तो अभी सिर्फ हम लोग meaning discuss करने वाले हैं. तो चलिए start करते हैं with the meaning of comparative statement. The first tool of analysis is comparative statement. Comparative. What is the meaning of comparative? Meaning में क्या छुपा पड़ा है? Compare. So what is the meaning of comparative statement? Let's see. It means a comparative study. You will do a comparative study of individual component or element or item of balance sheet and statement of P&L. So there are lot of item in the balance sheet. Also there are lot of item in the statement of P&L. In balance sheet, there is shareholder fund, there is non-current liability, current asset, non-current asset. There are a lot of item in the balance sheet. Similarly, in the P&L, there are a lot of item. Revenue from operation, other income, expenses, net profit before tax, net profit after tax. So, in comparative statement, you will compare the item of balance sheet or you will compare the item of statement of P&L. Now we have to focus on these 2 words. You will compare the item for 2 years or more year. We are comparing the data of 1 year with another year. The company will remain same. The company is XYZ. You are comparing the data of XYZ of the year 2016 with 2017. एक ही कंपनी का डेटा है, उसी कंपनी के प्रीवियस ईयर डेटा को हम करंट ईयर डेटा के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. We are comparing the data of same company of two different years. So, comparative statement is intra-firm comparison. It is intra-firm comparison because there is only one firm. You are comparing the data of one firm for two different years. यहाँ पर दो अलग अलग कंपनी नहीं है, एक ही कंपनी है और उसी के डेटा को हम एक ईयर से दूसरे ईयर के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं. So, what is comparative statement? It is a comparative study of individual component or items of balance sheet or statement of P&L for two or more years. You are comparing the data of one company for two or more years. Now, why these statements are important? हम क्यों बनाएंगे ये comparative statement? Why someone will prepare it? Because such statement will provide you important information to the lender. So such statements are important information providers to the lender. Those who have given money to the company on credit. Suppose मैंने कंपनी को पैसा दिया है उधार पे. I have given a huge amount on credit to the company. So I will get the information from these comparative statement that whether this company is able to repay my amount or not. तो मुझे ये पता लग जाएगा कि मेरा पैसा मुझे वापस टाइम पर मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. Only then I will give money to the company. So such statement are important information provider to the lender. This is the meaning of comparative statement. I am reading the comments, but I think that they are irrelevant right now. So this is the meaning of comparative statement. You are doing comparative study of individual item of balance sheet, statement of P&L for two or more years. It is intra-firm comparison. It is intra-firm comparison. And why we are doing this? Because it provides important information to the lender. Now, such statements are also important to the management. These are important to the lender, but these are also important for the management because with the help of such statement, management can take proper decision. Management को अपने future के लिए decision लेने हैं. So with the help of these statement, management can easily take decisions for their future. आशीष, क्या समझ नहीं आया? Intra firm means same firm. Intra means same. आपने इंटर स्कूल कंपटीशन सुना है? You might have heard inter school competition. Inter means different and intra means same. So intra firm comparison means you are doing comparison between same firm. The company will be same. You are comparing the data of 2016 with the 2017. The company is same, so therefore it is known as intra-firm comparison. Because company is same, it is not different. Now coming on to the next tool, that is common size statement. अब ये कॉमन साइज स्टेटमेंट क्या है? हमने कंपैरेटिव कर लिया है. वी हैव डन कंपैरेटिव स्टेटमेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस कॉमन साइज स्टेटमेंट? दिस इज योर सेकंड टूल. So this is second tool of comparison. Now what is this? What is the meaning of common size statement? So now it is a vertical analysis of financial statement in which amount of individual item of balance sheet or statement of P&L are written. It is vertical analysis. So, let me tell you, no Ritik, not yet. Like interstate and intrastate. Yes, absolutely right, Deepti. So, in common size statement, you can easily do inter-firm analysis. With the help of common size statement, we can do inter-firm comparison. Means you can compare the data of XYZ Limited with ABC Limited. In comparative statement, we cannot do inter-firm comparison. In comparative statement, you cannot do inter-firm comparison. You can only do intra-firm comparison. You can only compare the data of one firm. But in common size statement, it is possible to compare the data of one firm with another firm. So in common size statement, you can do inter-firm comparison. You can compare the data of one firm with another firm. So in common size statement, it is possible to do both intra-firm and inter-firm comparison. यहाँ पर हम दोनों कंपैरिजन कर सकते हैं, इंट्रा फर्म भी और इंटर फर्म भी. अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा है, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज बिकॉज दिस इज जस्ट ट्रेलर. हमें इसको इतना टेंशन के साथ नहीं पढ़ना. वी विल बी रिवाइजिंग ऑल दीज टॉपिक्स अगेन, सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. दिस इज सेम एज व्हाट वी हैव डन इन जीएसटी. जीएसटी में हमने इंटर स्टेट किया था एंड इंट्रा स्टेट किया था. Intra word means same and inter word means different. So what is common size statement? It is a vertical analysis of financial statement in which amount of individual item of balance sheet or statement of P&L are written. In this also you are comparing the data, you are comparing the items of balance sheet और the items of statement of P&L. बस हमें इतना याद रखना है कि कंपैरेटिव में सिर्फ एक फर्म होती है. In comparative, there will be only one company, there will be only one enterprise. But in common size statement, there can be one enterprise, two enterprise, or any number of enterprise. So in comparative, there will be only one company. In common size, there can be 1, 2, 3 enterprise. तो comparative में एक होंगी, common size में कितनी भी हो सकती है. Is it now clear, भावेश? Bhavesh, is it now clear? Okay. Now, you will analyze the data of balance sheet and statement of P&L. You will compare the items of balance sheet and you will compare the item of statement of P&L and you will find out some percentage. हम कुछ percentage calculate करेंगे while comparing the item. And these percentages can be compared with the corresponding percentages in other period. So, to understand the meaning conclusions. So, we will find out some percentages. Now, कैसे find out करेंगे percentage? वो हम chapter में करेंगे. You will find out some percentage while comparing the items. And these percentage will be used to draw some conclusion. आप पहले आइटम्स को कंपेयर करोगे, बैलेंस शीट के आइटम्स को कंपेयर किया, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L के आइटम को कंपेयर किया, एंड व्हाइल कंपेयरिंग यू विल फाइंड आउट सम परसेंटेज एंड दोज परसेंटेज विल बी यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ सम कंक्लूजन. आप जो भी जजमेंट बनाओगे, आप जो भी डिसीजन लोगे, वो किस बेसिस पे लोगे? उन परसेंटेज को देख के. अब परसेंटेज कैसे कैलकुलेट होगी वो हम लोग बाद में करेंगे. So this is common size statement. common size statement is a vertical analysis in which we compare the item of balance sheet and statement of P&L. Now, the third tool we have, ratio analysis. Third tool we have ratio analysis. Now, what do you mean by ratio analysis? Till now, we have covered two tools, comparative statement and common size statement. Now, third tool for doing the analysis is ratio analysis. अब ratio analysis क्या है? In class 10th, we all have done a chapter ratio in mathematics. हमने सब ने क्लास 10th में एक चैप्टर किया है रेशो. क्लास 10th में मैथ्स में एक चैप्टर होता है रेशो. नाउ व्हाट इज रेशो? यू कंपेयर सम आइटम एंड देन यू फाइंड आउट रेशो. हम क्या करते हैं? हम दो आइटम्स को कंपेयर करते हैं और उनका रिलेशनशिप फाइंड आउट करते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेशो. सो व्हाट इज रेशो एनालिसिस? It is a ratio which is calculated on the basis of accounting information. You are finding out some ratio with the help of accounting information. Yes, like 2:4, 3:1. It can be any ratio. It can be 1:1. It can be 2:1, 4:1. It can be any ratio. So, for example, I will find out the ratio of current assets and current liability. I am comparing current assets with current liability and I am finding out some ratio. So this is ratio analysis. I am finding out the relationship between different items. I can compare current asset with current liability. I can compare total assets with total liability. I can compare total assets with shareholder fund. So we can compare or we can find out relationship between any item. हम किसी का भी relation किसी के साथ भी find out कर सकते हैं in terms of ratio. And this is known as ratio analysis. You are finding out the relationship between different items in terms of ratio. Yes, Anjali, 1st April से हम starting से पढ़ाएंगे. So, what is ratio analysis? It is arithmetical relationship between two accounting variable. आप relationship निकाल रहे हो in terms of ratio between अकाउंटिंग वेरिएबल. आप अलग अलग अकाउंटिंग आइटम्स के बीच में रिलेशनशिप निकालते हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेशो. सो व्हाट इज रेशो एनालिसिस? इट इज अरिथमेटिकल रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द अकाउंटिंग वेरिएबल. You are comparing current asset with current liability and you are finding out some ratio that is known as ratio analysis. Now, it is a relationship that exists. It is a relationship that exists between figures shown in the balance sheet, shown in the statement of P&L or any other statement. So हमारे अकाउंटिंग में कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन है, हम किसी भी आइटम के बीच में रिलेशनशिप निकालेंगे एक रेशो की टर्म में और उसी रेशो की टर्म में क्या कहते हैं? रेशो एनालिसिस. So now tell me, is it clear? The meaning of ratio analysis. Is it clear to everyone? Practical movie में होंगे. Right now we are just having the trailer. So when we will be starting the movie, we will be discussing every chapter in brief with practical. So what is ratio analysis? It is the arithmetical relationship between accounting variable, between accounting item. Now the next we have the fourth and last tool is cash flow statement. And I will tell you the meaning of cash flow statement tomorrow, because tomorrow we have to do the cash flow entire chapter. तो कल हम जानेंगे कि कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है and what it comprises of. Yes, Bhavesh, balance sheet is vertical. So your fourth tool is cash flow statement, the meaning of which will be discussed tomorrow. So कल हम आपको बताएंगे कि कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट क्या होता है. So stay tuned till tomorrow's session. So now we all are ready for class 12. We all are ready to score best grades. And if you guys want to attend more such classes with me, then you all can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, so that you can take all the classes of class 12th with me. So in this Pro Subscription, we are providing you more than 2000 hours of live online classes. You can watch unlimited live classes with us of all these subjects, whether it is accounts, mathematics, economics, or business studies. Along with that, we are a pool of 10 plus teachers having more than 5 years of experience. So highly qualified teachers will be provided to you and you can learn a lot from them. Also, these all teachers will focus on your weakness, on your areas of improvement. We will conduct regular tests for you. We will provide you regular assignments. And the most important thing, all these classes will be conducted in English only. So all these sessions on Vedantu will be conducted in English. The actual price of this Pro subscription is 3499. But we are only providing this for 2799 as we are providing 20% discount to you. So if you want to enjoy all these benefits at flat 20% discount, then go and use my promo code SCPRO to take your Pro subscription at flat 20% discount. So for upcoming session and notes, you can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link is also given in the description box below. And if you guys are new to the channel or if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Also, do like this video and do share this with your friends. Now, see you all tomorrow in a live session at 4 p.m. for the next chapter. So thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. So now see you all tomorrow with one another session at same time, same place, 4 p.m. Till then, take care, good night and have sweet dreams. Bye guys, bye everyone. Thank you so much.